Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. Now today's trading video is actually going to be a little bit different. We're going to be covering a commodity. So a lot of our previous videos that you've watched, they've been all focused on currencies. There's a specific strategy that we use, strategy that we use on commodity pairings, which is using our algorithm. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take you to our members area where we provide all of our analysis to our clients on a daily basis. Now, in addition to this members area that I'm bringing up right now, we also provide one-to-one mentoring for our clients on a weekly basis to get them to the point where they can do all this type of analysis themselves. As I scroll on down, you'll see we have different technical charts, we have then different daily trading levels, methodology sections, fundamental analysis, and the different analysis on each currency pair that we provide analysis for here, which are the major pairings. So it gives you a really good resource for all of our traders to use every single day, so that they're not making any mistakes. You know, they're able to take all the trades as they should take them, exactly as sort of prescribed in the methodology that we use. Now, we then have the algorithm, and this is what I want to show you. So first, we did have one intraday trade trigger on Euro, which was this one here. Anyone who's watched any of our previous videos, you'll know that we have buy and sell zones on this algorithm, and we label them. Okay, we've had one intraday trade trigger, okay, on the currencies, and we've had two trigger on gold. So this one was a successful trade, and it reversed well in excess of the 20 pip, 25 pip mark that we're looking for. And then we have the gold chart. So any of you know we've got XAU USD. Okay. Now, for this particular strategy, we call this our third zone trading strategy, and it's one that's specifically for gold and different currencies too, and it's one that a few clients will know, and if they don't know this, then this video will definitely educate them now. So when you have access to this algorithm, it's going to produce these zones. Now we use the third zone as kind of like our power zones. They're the zones that we're looking for the most reversal from on this particular commodity. Now with gold, you have to use a slightly larger stop loss. Yeah, you can't use the same stops that you normally use on your currencies, because of course gold is far more volatile than the currency pairs. It has a much higher average trading range. So the two trades that triggered is we have a third zone here on gold. Okay. You can see it actually went into the fourth zone. So what I mean by third zone: sell zone 1, sell zone 2, sell zone 3. Now the stop losses that we use for gold is usually a minimum of 50 pips. Okay, so if you take a look here, the price is 12.85. The price came to 12.88. Okay, so 50 pips in terms of gold for anyone who's not traded that before basically means $5. Okay, so if you're trading in here at 12.85, it means your stop loss is at 12.90. Okay, for anyone who's not traded gold before. The targets on the gold trades tend to be around a 1-to-1. Okay, so you're going for around 50 as well on the profit. So you can see obviously this time it reversed well in excess of 50. Then yesterday we had another third zone trigger: buy zone 1, buy zone 2, buy zone 3. Comes into the buy zone here, and it reverses just around its $5 or so, taking out the profit there. So I know it's a little bit of a different strategy on the gold, but it's definitely one that can be utilized for day trading. Day trading gold's a little bit different to day trading currencies, but again, this is something that you can ask the traders when you speak to them, because the reason for showing you this video is we're actually providing free access to the algorithm and members area on a demonstration call, which we call our consultation here. So you pop your details in, your name, email, phone number, and we'll book a time in with you to take you through a demonstration of the product and our services to give you a good understanding of exactly what we do. If you do have any questions on this video, all you've got to do is just send us an email, and we're more than happy to answer anything for you. And if you do want to call into the office, you're more than welcome to. But just thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you.